Hey everybody, today on Tracie Redesigns I am doing a Dutch pour, so that means it's Dutch pour week, and I am super excited because I will be using Primary Elements color art pigments and I can't wait to see how they turn out, so I'm just gonna jump right in and get started. So the painting is all dry and it dried a lot different than I expected. It's not your traditional Dutch pour. I got crazy fractals, not one cell, and a lot of texture. I absolutely love the colors. They're super shiny, and then where they blended with the white, they're really soft but still shiny at the same time. So these primary element pigments are really cool. So I am really happy with my results so far. I hope you guys like it as well. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out my links in my description, and have a great day.